how to open GPay or Google Pay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can open your Google Pay account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically open up your Google Pay account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all just make sure to launch your Google Pay application here. Once you launch the Google Pay app, first of all simply select the region that you are from. Currently only India, Singapore and from United States you can basically use Google Pay. Other than that you will not be able to use it. So if you're from the United States you can just select that. If you're from India you can select India and then you can tap and continue. Make sure to enter the phone number and then go about creating your Google Pay account, or if you already have an account you can select your number over here and you'll be able to select your Google account as well. Tap on the continue option, enter your password and you'll be successfully signed in as well. But to give you a basic context of the idea, this way you'll be able to open Google Pay account. Hope this video is very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.